Hello friends, and thank you very much for the overwhelming response on my unboxing video of BS6 310R and 310GS. Today I'm going to take a test drive of both 310R and 310GS, the BS6 version, and I will compare BS6 models with the BS4 models. I have been riding BS4 model of G310R for quite some time now. So today I am going to ride BS6 model and I will see what is the basic difference between these two bikes. I have my cameras ready and bike warmed up, so I'm all set to go. So I'm going to BMW showroom, Pratap Motorrad on Sirsi Road. Normally it takes 20 minutes for me to reach the showroom. So I have reached the showroom. This is Mr. Ashok. If you need accessories, please contact him. शोरूम पर आ गए हैं. हमारे साथ हैं हमारे प्यारे ईशान भैया. हेलो ईशान भैया. तो आज ईशान भैया हमें बताएंगे कि BS6 के अंदर क्या क्या नए फीचर्स आए हैं.
Completely different color schemes. Along with this is the flagship color of BMW Motorrad, जो भी नया कलर आया है, and that is like a crazy thing. तो हमारा कलर है जैसे कि पहले हमारा HP स्टाइल आता था. This is something what seems similar to that thing only. That is the flagship color of BMW Motorrad. Along with this, we have got the adjustable clutch levers for the clutch and the brake. We have got the new LED DRL headlamps. Along with it, we have got the slipper clutch, the new completely ECU, and the complete bike is on a ride-by-wire. It has got the ride-by-wire technology.
So this is on ride-by-wire technology, and the new red color.
Actually, the red GC, the frame comes in only in this color, not other than this.
All right, ईशान भैया, तो मैं इसके एक टेस्ट राइड लेता हूँ, फिर वापस आपके पास आता हूँ. थैंक यू भैया. Meter screen is showing service due, so that is not a problem. It's a demo version and company will get it serviced in a day or two, so we don't need to worry about it. So let's start riding this bike and see what are the differences from BS4 model. So initially I feel like the seating posture and the handle displacement is same as the previous version. There is a new button in the left side for DRL, low beam and high beam. Indicator button and horn button remains same, but yes, there are LED indicators in this bike now. There are many upgrades to this model: new indicators, new headlight, new graphics, new colors. But the most important part is that this bike is on ride-on-wire technology, which is giving this performance an optimum level. I am feeling improved power and better throttle response in the bike. There is no change in the riding posture, handling, and the digital meter of the bike. I am feeling reduced performance on the higher gear, but it might be due to the BS6 norms. But on the other hand, it made the engine smoother. So overall, this ride-by-wire technology is the biggest difference. I am enjoying the ride. There is a massive difference in the exhaust note as well. I am feeling like a muffled voice, which I am liking it better than the BS4 model. New color scheme, red chassis, and the new headlight is very eye-catching. It's always nice to have empty roads to ride such bikes. Its body to weight ratio and the center of gravity is so good that you don't have to lean the bike so much on the curves. There is no lag in performance, and I feel like I'm riding like 400cc bike after riding a BS4 bike prior to this. Sound of the bike has been improved in both low RPM and high RPM. So this bike is having cast aluminium wheels, BMW Motorrad ABS, single disc front brakes, radial front brake calipers, upside down fork. Now it is having slipper clutch, LED flashing turn indicators, LED tail light, LED headlight, handbrake lever, and the clutch lever is also adjustable now. On these speed breakers, I realized that the suspension has also improved. So let's stop the bike here and take some video shots. राइड बार वायर ने तो बिल्कुल ही गेम चेंज कर दिया. सब्सक्राइबर. So I think we are good for BMW G310R BS6 model. Let's go back to the showroom and take out the other bike, which is BS6 G310 GS. Its seating posture, weight distribution, body to weight ratio and smoother engine is the reason why this bike is better than its competition. So we are back to showroom now. My BS4 model is already here. So before I start riding BS6 GS model, let's give a small comparison between BS6 and BS4 G310R bike. So these bikes are standing side by side. So let's take a look. Size is same, but the lower part of the tank and the graphics are entirely different. This red color rim and red color chassis is making this bike look stand apart. So here comes the new baby GS. So let's check out what is new in the BS6 GS model. New refined engine, new colors, new graphics, new stickers, lot of new things. This bike looks really aggressive and obviously bigger than the G310R. मैं इसकी टेस्ट राइड शुरू करता उसके पहले पहचानो मुझे कौन मिला.
क्या कर रहा है पेट का?
आपके कंपटीशन में आ रहा था मैं.
ये डबल वाला है क्या गोप्रो? आगे पीछे वाला.
आप यहीं पर हो क्या अभी?
हाँ
मैं आ रहा हूँ 5 मिनट में.
अरे
Let's take a look at the new LED turn indicators and it is same in both bikes. Now I'm riding the baby GS and let me tell you guys, the button for switching off the ABS has been removed now. It has the same LED button for low, high and daytime running light. After removing the ABS button, all the other buttons are similar to G310R bike. I did not get a chance to take this bike out on off-roading, but let's review how this bike performs on streets. The BS6 and ride-by-wire is making a huge difference. Riding new bike is entirely different than the BS4 model just because of the single major change which I have been explaining again and again, which is ride-by-wire technology. This technology is not new in the industry, but yes, it is entirely new for these 310 bikes. GS is not having that enough thump like R, but yes, it's an awesome bike for off-roading. Engine performance and response time is better than the previous model. So let's park this bike here for a minute and take some video shots.
हाँ घूम रहे हो वंश भैया?
यार बाबा अजमेर रोड जा रहा हूँ।
अजमेर रोड पे क्या है?
दोस्त आ रहे हैं अहमदाबाद से।
अच्छा, मैं एक वीडियो इनकी बाइक का ही बना ही लूँगा।
ये है हमारे वंश भैया अपनी BS4 मॉडल की G310 GS के साथ। I'm not a fan of GS, I like R more than GS, but when I'm comparing this bike with its previous version, all I can say is that the throttle response has completely been changed and bike is more responsive in lower RPM. As I go on high RPM, it gets smoother and agile. It entirely depends on your riding style whether you should take an R or a GS. Both bikes are better than any of its competitive bikes of the segment, and yes, the price of the bikes has also been reduced, which is not good for the existing customers, but indeed a good news for the new buyers. So friends, this is where I end the test ride video of 310 Twins. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section or on my Instagram handle. Bookings are open for these bikes. And one more thing, I have a bonus clip at the end, which is a hyperlapse clip that I recorded with GoPro Max, because I keep comparing different cameras for motovlogging. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.